Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download qbittorrent on Windows. Firstly, click on the link of the official qbittorrent download page. Expand the additional download options and look for the 64-bit version and click the blue link under Mirrors or PGP. Select a folder where you want to save the installer and click OK to start the download. Once the download is complete, locate the file qbittorrent.exe. Double-click it, click Yes if prompt, and then, if the setup window, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu and click OK. Click Next to proceed and tick the checkbox I accept the license agreement. Click Next again. Now select the components you want to install, then click Next. Choose where you want and then click Install to start the installation process. When it's finished, you'll find it on your desktop or Start menu. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.